whenever I want, whenever I want.
I'm not here to tell you I'm the best in the world, no, but my results are the best.
We have big plans. It's a surprise, I want to tell you. It's a surprise, I promise you. You will like it. Let's go. The plan is now we're going to Hookah in Dubai Mall. It's a very, very nice place actually. And yeah, me and you, we are going to do like I don't know, some content interview. Tobias have a lot of questions to ask me. He think my life is so interesting. We want to dive deep into it. So as most of you know, I have like my main brand was built in Denmark, my main personal brand. So I keep doing Danish content and we are helping so many people. And again, this is not about trading. I just want to tell you about it. And we want to expand because we can help a lot more people like from all the world, not just from Denmark. So that's why we are building a bigger brand internationally.
Dubai shit, Dubai whips, different place, different shit.
Look at this one. What is that car? Look at the plate number, 55. The number cost more than the cars next to it. Okay guys, so we are on our way to like a zoo, a private zoo, where we can play with the animals and like go into the lions and big ape and different things. So very excited. It's a new thing, I've never tried it before. Would you do the same? Like if you had the opportunity, would you do it? Let me know in the comment and remember to subscribe. So we are at a private zoo now. Tobias found it. We have big plans. It's a surprise, I want to tell you. So let's jump in and you can see. It's a surprise, I promise you. You will like it. Look at this. We have three groups, right? The investment, the VVIP and the super VIP. TP2 hit, TP1 hit, TP1 hit. We are on fire like day after day after day. And I've told this before, yes, there's many people doing this. But most people are shit. They don't know what they're doing. I've been doing this for 7 years. I've been trading for 7 years. And my results speak for themselves. I'm not here to tell you I'm the best in the world, no. But my results are the best. I'm going to do some crazy things now. No? Eagle from Egypt. From Egypt.
Seem like the life I feed. Seem like the life I feed's a little distant.
What is this? This is a spider monkey. This is the only monkey that uses his tail to crawl. You don't know if he will bite you or not. So this is the male, this is the female. When he saw that he's touching the female, he just came running. Hey. This is fun. Yeah. Hey, he spit. Did you see that? This is the American eagle. Huge. So these turtles, the big one there, is 100 years old. The smallest one, or the youngest one, is 40 to 100, huh? How fast he is, look, he's very fast. He's going for the food. And who is the first one that will arrive? This can take like 1 hour. Wow. This is nice. Look how beautiful they are. Are you ready to try?
Of course.
You will love this. What is this bird? Lovebirds. Lovebirds. Wow, now it's raining. Hi. This is nice. Why are you running? We are in the forest, it's raining.
What's up?
What's up, man? This will be the new home for the snakes. So here, within the next 2 weeks, they will have the small alligators that you can feed. We are going into this bad boy now. I don't know if I want to do that. Okay. So he told me, don't be scared, go to the tiger and just sit with him. But of course I'm scared.
Shift to the store. It's big. How old is he?
8 months.
8 months? Yeah. Wow.
This is the parents of the lion that we just made some video with and pictures. Ah, this is a golden tiger. Ah, yeah.
Yes.
It's a beautiful name.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a
We are heading back to Dubai from the zoo, and honestly, like, the experience was insane. It was crazy, man. I have no words for that. Like, playing with the animals, especially Habuba, the big ape. It was like engaging with a human. But yeah, very nice. We made some very nice content, and we will go there soon again because we have other content we will make, and we will visit with the family, so I will record that as well. Now we're going to find some nice place to eat and work, and yeah, do some more content also.
Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright.
I'm alright in your favor. Dark nights in my prayers.